So now the winning run comes to an end, but would you class that as a valuable point, trying to make
Exactly, Stephen. You know, every point's vital now. You know, and as you say, we would have liked 3 points today. Our first half performance probably warranted the 3 points, but we only went in 1-0, and obviously they got the penalty, and they clung on to it, didn't they? And as you say, every point's now vital to us for our quest to the top 6. So it could turn out to be a really good point in a few weeks' time. And as you say, we huffed and puffed a bit second half, but they were difficult to break down. And probably in the second half performance, a draw was probably a fair result.
What did you think of the penalty decision?
Well, you know, it's natural. You know, it's natural reaction. The ball's coming across that fast. It's that close to him. He put his hands up, and he said the ball did hit his hand, but the referee didn't give it. The linesman give it from 25 yards away. So it swings and roundabouts. You get them, you don't get them. You know, it's as you say. But you go back to the point that, you know, we haven't been beat. You know, it says how far we've come as a team. The lads are disappointed after the game with just coming in with a point, but. Like I've just said to them, it could be a huge point at the end of the season. You know, we've still got 6 really tough games to go in this league, and you know, maybe a win and a draw will get us where we want to be, which would be a fantastic achievement by everyone connected in the dressing room. You know, so we've got hard work to do. You know, we've got a few lads with knocks in there. We'll dust ourselves down. We've got a break from the league, you know, for 2 weeks. We've got a really tough Welsh Cup tie away down in South Wales next week, and we've got to make sure we're prepared for that.
A few weeks ago you were saying about certain few games coming up and then having to face the likes of TNS. Overall, with the points collected, surely more than you would have.
Yeah, it's more than we'd ever hoped for at the start of the season. You know, we've had a great run, and you know, there's a lot of confidence, and when there's confidence in the team, it brings you wins, it brings you points, and that's what happened to us. And you look at the game there tonight, you know, we've dominated the first half. They've got the goal back. Maybe 12 months ago, we probably go on and lose that game, but we dug in there, you know, and we done our best to get the subs on and get that winner in the last few minutes, but it wasn't to be. But you know, we can't be too displeased with the points because, as you say, it's a huge point to where we want to be.
With the first goal, you can see by the celebrations that it just seems like a great team spirit at the moment.
Yeah, it means everything. You know, the players in there. You know, they want to do something. They want to get in the top 6. They want to win things. You know, they're all ambitious, and like myself, you know, it does mean a lot when you've been in the game that long. Like you know, you want to succeed and you want to do well, and you know, it's good to see that the spirit's that strong. You know, we've got a small knit squad with a lot of youngsters around it, which the experience they're getting it'll be invaluable to them. You know, they're a great set of lads, and you know, it's not by luck we've had a good run. It's by hard work, and you see some of the football tonight. We've passed it round, and you know, we've caused them problems, and we've created chances. So, you know, it's like anything. You can't win them all, but you make sure you don't lose a game, and you get what you can. And we've got a point, and as you say, it's a point closer to where we want to be.
As you said, Welsh Cup tie next week, which I'm sure you're not going to take lightly, even if it's a low league side. Being finalists last year, what are your thoughts of this season's Welsh Cup final? Is it to make the final again? It's
no different than any other season. You know, I've had a great time in the Welsh Cup in my career, like, so. No difference. We'll be going down there. We've had similar games in my career where you go into a lower league side. We're under no illusions. You know, they're doing well in their league, and they're on the crest of a wave, and we know all about them. And we're going to prepare properly because it is a big competition that we want to do well in, and especially last season where, you know, I've been here 12 months, and we took them to the Welsh Cup final, and you've seen what it meant to the people of the town. So, you know, we want to do that again, and as you say, every player in there is thinking the same. You know, we're going to prepare really properly, and we're going to go down there knowing we're in for a battle, and fingers crossed the quality will show through.